Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English year number 1, page number 8, affixation. Students, now let us start. Affixation is a process of word formation by adding a prefix or suffix to a root word. affixation वर्ड फॉर्मेशन का एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें रूट वर्ड के साथ प्रीफिक्स या सफिक्स को ऐड किया जाता है। प्रीफिक्स उर्दू में मानिए साबका, इट इज़ अ वर्ड विच इज़ यूज्ड बिफोर द रूट वर्ड, एंड सफिक्स उर्दू में मानिए लाइका, इट इज़ द वर्ड विच इज़ यूज्ड आफ्टर द रूट वर्ड। रूट वर्ड के साथ प्रीफिक्स या सफिक्स को ऐड करने से वर्ड के मायने तब्दील हो जाते हैं और बाज़ औक़ात वर्ड की फॉर्म भी तब्दील हो जाती है। यानी वर्ड अगर वर्ब है तो नाउन में तब्दील हो जाता है और अगर वर्ड नाउन है तो एडजेक्टिव में तब्दील हो जाता है। स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस स्टडी दीज एग्जांपल्स हेयर। फर्स्ट, रूट वर्ड इज ऑथर। बाय एडिंग प्रीफिक्स को इट बिकम्स को ऑथर। नेक्स्ट, रूट वर्ड इज नेसेसरी। बाय एडिंग प्रीफिक्स un it becomes unnecessary. Next, root word is fair. By adding prefix un it becomes unfair. Next, root word is moral. By adding prefix im it becomes immoral. Next, root word is tie. By adding prefix un it becomes untie. Next, root word is danger. By adding prefix en it becomes in danger. Next, root word is conscious. By adding prefix un it becomes unconscious. Next, root word is fortune. By adding prefix mis it becomes misfortune. Next, root word is kind. By adding suffix ness it becomes kindness. Next, root word is care. By adding suffix less it becomes careless. Next, root word is postpone. By adding suffix ment it becomes postponement. Next, root word is adjust. By adding suffix ment it becomes adjustment. Next, root word is treat. By adding suffix ment it becomes treatment. Next, root word is meaning. By adding suffix ful it becomes meaningful. Next, root word is hard. By adding suffix ship it becomes hardship. Next, root word is friend. By adding suffix ship it becomes friendship. Next, root word is fond. By adding suffix ness it becomes fondness. Next, root word is happy. By adding suffix ness it becomes happiness. Next, root word is comfort. By adding suffix able it becomes comfortable. Next, part D, add appropriate prefixes or suffixes to the following root words to make other words दस झैल रूट वर्ड्स के साथ मुनासिब प्रीफिक्सेस या सफिक्सेस का इजाफा करके दूसरे वर्ड्स बनाएं। आंसर नोट करें। हेयर फर्स्ट, रूट वर्ड इज वन. बाय एडिंग सफिक्स nes it becomes oneness. Next, root word is belief. By adding prefix dis it becomes disbelief. Next, root word is parallel. By adding prefix un it becomes unparallel. Next, root word is justice. By adding prefix in it becomes injustice. Next, root word is flinching. By adding suffix ly it becomes flinchingly. Next root word is knowledge. By adding suffix able, it becomes knowledgeable. Next root word is construction. By adding suffix al, it becomes constructional. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.